Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL 8 on Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. First, we will create Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. Then we will install the MySQL on Amazon Linux 2023. Then we will connect to MySQL which is installed on Amazon Linux. So first connect to Amazon console. So see, I have connected to Amazon console. Then click on services, search for EC2. Click on EC2. See, I don't have any EC2 instances running at the moment. Okay, click on launch instance. Click on Amazon Linux. Then select the Amazon Linux 2023 AMI. It is pre-tier eligible. Okay, so click on architecture, that is 64-bit x86. I'm not going to change. The next instance type. See, we have different instance types. So I'm going with T2 micro, and it is 1 CPU and 1 GB memory. If you want more, you can select from the list, but charges will be there. Next, key pair. Key pair is used to connect to Amazon Linux EC2 instance. So click on create. See, I don't have any key pairs. So click on create new key pair. Provide the name. I'm giving AWS Linux 2023 MySQL 8. Copy this one. I'm also going to give this as name for the Amazon Linux. Also see here, we have to select private key file format as .fm. So click on create key pair. Once we see, it has downloaded. Okay, so here I want to give name also same. Okay, next, network settings. See, at present I don't have any network information. So click on edit. See, I don't have VPC or subnet. Okay, select auto SN public IP to enable. So click on refresh. Still we don't have. So click on services. Click on services. Search for VPC. Right click on it. Open link in new tab. Go to there. See, I don't have any VPCs. So click on create VPC. See, the region must be the same as this one. Okay. See, here it is US East 1. Here also it must be the same. See, US East 1. Then select the VPC and more. I'm not going to change anything. Just click on create VPC. See, VPC has created. Go to here, refresh here. See, there is only one VPC. Select it. Then subnet, refresh. See, we have 4 subnets for different availability zones. Okay, so I'm going with US East 1A. Auto SN public IP enable. Then security group. See, this is the default security group. I want to create new security group. So I'm not going to change anything. Remaining options I am going to keep as it is. Then storage. Here I am giving 30 gigabytes. See, pre-tier customers eligible up to get 30 gigabytes EPC general purpose SSD. Then advanced details. Select host name type as resource name. Then select this enable resource based IPv4 for DNS requests. If you are okay with all these settings, click on launch instance. See, successfully initiated launch of instance. Wait, still it is not started. Wait, status, it will be in running state. See, instance is running. Click on instance ID. See, this is the public IP. This is the public IP for DNS name. So click on connect. Click on SSH client. Then copy this one. Then open CMD on Windows or on Linux. Open terminal. But the process is same. CMD. Go to where you have downloaded PEM file. Then copy the string, hit enter, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to Amazon Linux 2023. We can verify more /etc os-release. See, Amazon Linux, it is of the ID like Fedora. Okay, so Ctrl L to clear screen. Now we will see how to install MySQL 8 on this Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. Now go to mysql.com. Click on downloads. Click on MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on MySQL M repository. Copy this one. Right click, copy the link address. Then go to the shell wget, paste it, and hit enter. We have to download this RPM. So hit enter. See, it has successfully downloaded. Next, we have to install this RPM. So ls-lrth sudo dnf install, then give this RPM. Hit enter, paste it, hit enter. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now we will install the MySQL server by running the command Ctrl L to clear screen, sudo dnf install mysql community server, then hit enter. The installed size is this one, total download size is this one. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. Y and hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL 8.0.36 on Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now check the status of MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status mysql d. See, MySQL service is not started. Okay, so we have to start it. Sudo systemctl start mysql d. Verify. See, MySQL service is active and running. It is started 3 seconds ago. Also see here, service is enabled. No need to enable the service manually. Ctrl L to clear screen. I will keep this link in the video description. Okay, you can download the respective RPM. Okay, now connect to MySQL server. Now you can get the temporary password. Cat var log mysql grep for password. Give the sudo. See here we have the temporary password. This is the temporary password. Okay, let me copy. Now connect to MySQL server. Sudo. I will keep this command in the video description. MySQL -u root -p. Hit enter. Paste the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Now see, this is the temporary password. So first step is we have to change the password. Alter user root single quotes localhost identified by, then provide new password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully changed the password. Let me exit, connect again with new password. See, I have successfully connected. So to verify, Ctrl L to clear screen. To verify list of databases comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, these are the databases comes with MySQL installation. If you want to verify the version, select version is the command to check the version of the MySQL server. See, I have installed MySQL 8.0.36. Okay, until now we have installed MySQL on Amazon Linux, then we have connected to it from the Linux terminal. We have successfully installed and connected to MySQL 8 on Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. For more MySQL and AWS videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.